The time now that you found yourself a wife. All my cattle and my cows, my horses and my plows, all my money and my fields of grassy land, all of these I give to you, but there's one thing you must do. You must take the widow Carthy by the hand. Oh, Johnny scratched his head as he lay upon the bed. He was never in a fix like this before. Sure, he knew the widow well, and he knew she'd give him hell. But an offer just like this he couldn't ignore. Oh, John was 44, she was half a dozen more, with her muscles all developed to the full. But her temper was rare, all the neighbours would declare she could holler like McCarthy's raging bull. She was tall and she was strong, she could sing a good old song, but her fortune wasn't fashioned in her face. When 'twas known she never cried on the night that Carthy died, so he left her lots of money with the place. And when Johnny got the chance and decided on romance, they were married by the curate Father Bourke. They went home without delay on a lovely summer's day. Straight away he changed his clothes and went to work. But Johnny was no fool, and he saddled up the old mule, and he faced him for the 5-foot garden wall. The wife was in his stew, for the bloody well she knew the poor old mule he couldn't jump at all. And the first time he refused, but John was not amused. Boys was all she heard her husband sigh. When the mule wouldn't run, no came Johnny with the gun, and he shot the poor horse straight between the eyes. Then turning to the wife, who was shaking for her life, "Go down, my love," he said, "and milk the cows. Count the cattle in the bog, give the dinner to the dogs, sweep the yard and while you're at it, feed the sows." Oh, the first time she refused, but John was not amused. Boys was all she heard her husband say. He went fiddling with the gun, and the wife she made run. She's working now for 27 years.